Hello, Facebook. Hello, Facebook. Hello, YouTube. How is everyone doing tonight? I am Kimberly from San Diego, California. You can call me KSN Keto. If you see that red live box up at the top, that means you're catching me live if you're on Facebook. And if you are on YouTube, you can hit that subscribe and like button, please. But if you're catching me live, if you will say hi, hello, I love talking to you guys. If you're catching the replay and the red live box isn't up at top, I'm sorry that I missed you. Please don't make it happen again. You can tap my face. The three dots in the upper right hand corner. Halfway down is follow, see first, and turn on live notifications. Hi Tina. Hi Nancy. How are you guys doing tonight? I am making a really super simple, easy dinner. It's got 5 ingredients. I guess I should post how much. It really doesn't cost a lot. I guess it really just depends. Ooh, let me go grab the spray. How is everybody's Thursday going? So I am using this casserole dish because it's clean. And yeah, it's clean, and my big one's not right now. It's in my dishwasher. So I am making some chicken jalapeno popper style tonight. Actually, I guess I'll say it has 6 ingredients because I have to cook the bacon and it gets crumbled over the top afterwards. So I'm going to move my cup out of the way so that way you can see everything. So I am using chicken thighs because that's what we have and that's what our local Vons delivered to us on our last grocery trip. But you can certainly use chicken breast or whatever chicken you have. And I am just layering it in the bottom right here and making sure that it doesn't overlap. I'm trying to use all of, I guess I'm not going to use all of my chicken thighs. And I also prefer thighs because they have a higher iron count. And I don't know about anybody else out there, but I tend to be iron deficient. So I like the darker meats because of that reason. I have to come up with a dish that needs 1 chicken thigh. Because that's what I have left. Thank you, Nancy, for sharing. I appreciate it. So I just put chicken thighs down in here. And I am just going to throw on some granulated garlic over the top of it just to season. I don't know what my husband's doing over there. Hi, Fran. Hi, Fran. How are you guys doing? And then I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. You could probably use a whipped cream cheese if you don't want to wait for it to like soften completely. I tend to buy my cream cheese in the big blocks though. Hi Angela, how are you? Thank you! I actually need to buy another shirt like this in a smaller size. This shirt was actually very tight on me last year, right around Christmas time, because I remember wearing it at Kohl's, and a elementary school teacher commented on it, and she wanted to know where she could get one. And it was very tight on me at the time. Now it's really loose, so I need to get a new one. How are you doing? How is your Thursday going? So I am just spreading cream cheese over the top of my chicken thighs. Like I said, you can use whipped cream cheese. It would definitely spread a lot better than mine is. I kind of figure that mine's just going to melt. You don't want to use a low-fat one with this just because, well, 1, the low-fat one isn't keto. And number 2, the low-fat one is not going to melt as well as this one will. So, and I want it to melt and get all ooey and gooey and cheesy everywhere. Thank you, Tina, for sharing. I appreciate it. If you guys get any value out of this, please feel free to share it, whether it's on your page or in any groups that you're in. So the other thing is that this recipe calls for fresh jalapenos. Obviously, we're on quarantine. We're locked down. We are not going out. So I am going to use the canned jalapenos that I had. And I just drained the juice from it because I don't want it too spicy, because my kids will not be happy if I make it too spicy. So my husband would love it. My oldest would probably love it. The little ones, probably not so much, even though my daughter really likes spicy for some reason. You would not think that a 3-year-old likes spicy food that much. So if you're using fresh jalapeno popper or fresh jalapenos and you want it spicy, leave the ribs and seeds in, or leave some of the ribs and seeds in. If you're trying to make it not very spicy, make sure you remove all of those ribs and seeds, because that's where the heat is at. But like I said, I am using canned jalapenos. I don't think I turned the sound off on my computer. So I'm using canned jalapenos because that's what we have, and I can't go to the store, so, you know, there we go. And then I'm going to throw on some shredded cheese. You can use whatever shredded cheese that you like. I am using this Mexican blend because it's what we have, without me having to personally shred any cheese. And I am also lazy, dirty keto, so you know what? Sometimes we use pre-shredded cheese, and that's okay, because that works in our house. Hi, Robin. How are you tonight? Whew. Okay. And this is how easy this is. I literally put chicken down, some garlic, some of this granulated garlic, cream cheese, jalapenos, and then more cheese. And actually, I'm going to throw some more on here because my husband is not a big cream cheese fan, y'all. So he really prefers that this other cheese be more. And then I'm going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes at 375. And it's going to bake up. And then when I pull it out of the oven, I will have some cooked bacon that I chop up and I just throw over the top of it to give it like that extra taste. So, I am doing well, Robin. I am doing better than yesterday. I am still definitely not at 100%, but you know, we're working on getting our way there. The kids are doing great. They are all raring to go. And they are all very much having cabin fever. I'm going to throw this in the oven real quick. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes, starting now.
So I'm going to leave that in the oven for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to go check on it because it's chicken, and I always like to make sure that my chicken cooked all the way through whenever I cook it. So if after 30 minutes it looks like it still needs some more time, then I'll leave it in for another 10. And then I will crumble bacon over the top of it. Robin, you know, what did I do? There was something I cooked, and I didn't tell you that it had cream cheese in it. And he said that he liked it, and then I told him afterwards. And then he was like, okay, well, I like this. So that is awesome. That makes me smile because it's something that I would do to my husband too. But anyways, okay, so I'm going to jump off here. If you guys watched the earlier live, you know that I roasted pumpkins, so I've washed those seeds. Those seeds are flat and drying. So I am hoping and praying that they will be dry enough for tomorrow afternoon for us to coat them, and let me show you guys how I prep them to be roasted. so that you can make your own homemade roasted pumpkin seeds for all of your pumpkin bakes. I'm so super stoked for Thanksgiving and Christmas and all of the baking and stuff we're doing. And on top of that, I am getting ready to do a 75 hard. My birthday is in like 2 months. And I have a goal for my birthday. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And I will share it once I feel 100%. But yeah. I definitely have some goals in mind. This is definitely, what do people call it? We're not doing No Shame November. We're doing a No Excuses November in this household. So, I'm going to get going at it just as soon as I feel 100% because the doctor has told me I'm not supposed to exercise until I'm done with COVID.
You said it.
I know, I said the C word. I'm so sorry. Okay, the curse of 2020. So, anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If we're not already friends on Facebook, go ahead and feel free to friend request me. You can add me as a friend. You can tap my face and follow me. I go live every single night, unless I'm sick, because that's how it's been for the last week.
Well, you're always sick.
But anyways, I really enjoy coming on here with you guys, and I have a lot of wonderful things planned for November, including how to show you how to make your own cranberry jelly that is low-carb, keto-friendly. So, I'm so super excited. I hope that you guys are having a great and wonderful Thursday night. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Is that what it is on YouTube? Yeah. Y'all can see I don't live on YouTube very much. So I hope you guys have a great and wonderful night. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow afternoon to roast some pumpkin seeds and have another recipe for you tomorrow night. Okay. Bye, y'all. Have a great night. Hi, YouTube. So the timer went off a little bit ago. I was cooking this bacon that's going to be put on the top of it. So let's pull it out of the oven. Y'all, it looks so good. And so crispy, and there's a ton of juice in there. So we are just going to put the bacon over the top of it. And we have extra, because I know my family.
There is no such thing as extra bacon.
And they will want all of the bacon.
It implies that there is such a thing as enough bacon.
Mm-hmm. Anyways, there you go. It's going to be a wonderful, delicious meal.
And Hazel's already going through it.
Yeah, and our doggy already wants to get the bacon. You're not getting it. Thank you. Thank you. Anyways, I hope you guys like this recipe. If you like it, please go ahead and subscribe and like. Feel free to comment. I'd love to hear your opinions and your ideas and what you want to see next. So I hope you enjoy it. We're going to eat dinner, and I will come at you with something new tomorrow night. Bye, y'all.